You do the exact same nighttime skincare routine, put on your prescribed creams, go to sleep, and wake up with itchy, red, flaring skin. What gives? Most people focus entirely on moisturizers and soaps, but forget that their skin spends 6 to 9 uninterrupted hours every single night pressed directly against bedsheets. If you have eczema or sensitive skin, the wrong sheets can quietly undo your entire daytime routine. Skin with eczema has a compromised moisture barrier. It's naturally more sensitive to 3 major triggers: friction, trapped heat, and chemical residues. If a fabric doesn't breathe, you sweat, and sweat is a massive eczema trigger. If the weave is scratchy, every toss and turn irritates high contact zones like your elbows, neck, and behind your knees. And if the sheet is loaded with synthetic finishes, your skin absorbs that all night long. Let's look at the fabrics that actually help calm your skin barrier down. First up, bamboo, specifically bamboo viscose or Lyocell. It's naturally thermoregulating and pulls moisture away from the skin fast. The fibers are rounded and smooth, meaning significantly less microscopic friction against raw or inflamed skin. Next is cotton, but with 2 caveats. Look for organic or combed cotton. Standard carded cotton can have tiny, rough fiber ends that feel scratchy. Combed cotton strips those short fibers away, leaving a noticeably smoother surface. Choosing organic also avoids harsh pesticide and bleaching residues. Now, what about other popular fabrics? Worth trying with caveats. Silk. Incredible for zero friction, especially for your face and neck. But it's less breathable than bamboo and high maintenance to wash frequently. Linen. Super breathable, but linen can start out stiff and abrasive. Unless it's heavily pre-washed, reactive skin might find it irritating at first. What to avoid? Polyester and microfiber blends. The #1 culprit? Polyester and microfiber blends. They trap body heat, lock in sweat, and often carry heavy chemical finishes. If your skin flares at night, swapping out synthetic sheets should be step 1. And keep wool strictly as an outer layer. Never let it touch bare, sensitized skin. Before you click buy, ignore the marketing hype and check these 4 things. OEKO-TEX Standard 100 certification. This independently certifies that the fabric is free from harmful levels of toxic chemicals and dyes. Weave over thread count. High thread counts often mean a dense, non-breathable weave. Look for a smooth, lightweight weave, like percale or sateen, rather than obsessing over an 800+ thread count number. Pale or undyed tones. The fewer vibrant dyes used, the lower the risk of contact dermatitis. Care instructions. If you can't easily wash it in warm water, it's not practical for sensitive skin. Even the best sheets won't help if your laundry routine is working against you. Here's the golden rule. Wash new sheets before their first use to remove any manufacturing residue. Always use a fragrance-free, dye-free liquid detergent, and completely skip fabric softeners and dryer sheets. Softeners leave a waxy coating on fibers that kills breathability and frequently triggers contact allergies. Wash in warm to hot water to kill dust mites, and aim to change your sheets weekly or every few days if you're currently in the middle of an active flare. Remember, bedding isn't a cure for eczema, but eliminating 8 hours of friction and heat every night gives your skin barrier the breathing room it needs to heal. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness guides. Let me know in the comments what fabric has worked best for your skin, and I'll catch you in the next one.